eBay Shops. Basic setup. In this video, we will learn how to subscribe to, set up and manage eBay Shops. This video will cover the basic setup of a shop. We recommend that you also watch the advanced shop setup video to make complete use of all features available with a shop subscription. Having an eBay shop is like having your own website on eBay. You can create a central shopping destination where buyers can learn about you and all the products you sell in a single place. eBay shops offer many benefits, including lower insertion fees for fixed price listings, the option of good till cancelled listings, access to marketing and sales tools, the ability to create sale events and lots more for as low as Rs 499. Benefits of eBay shops. Let us take a quick look at the benefits of having an eBay shop. 1. More free listings. Save fees through more free listings. 2. Markdown Manager. Trigger sales by creating your own promotions for your products. 3. Good till cancelled listings. Avail hassle-free auto relisting feature. 4. Vacation Mode. Put your listings on a vacation mode in case you are away. Other benefits of shops include types of shops. There are 3 types of shops. 1. Basic. 2. Featured. 3. Premium. The table below shows a comparison of the fees and benefits of each type of shop versus not having a shop. Basic shop. As soon as you reach a listing count of 167, a basic shop is cheaper than not having a shop. Featured shop. For a listing count of 751 and above, a featured shop turns out to be cheaper. Premium shop. For a listing count of 2751 and above, a premium shop is cheaper. In order to avail the free listing on your seller ID, your account standard should not be below standard. You can check your account status on this link. Please note that the shop subscription rates, insertion fees, and the number of free listings may change over time. The table above shows the rates at the time of creating this video. Setting up a shop basics. This video will cover 1. How to subscribe to a shop. 2. Basics of setting up a shop. 3. Important tips. How to subscribe to a shop. 1. Begin by logging into www.ebay.in. 2. Then go to My eBay, Accounts, Subscriptions. You will see 3 options under eBay Shops. Depending on the number of listings you expect to have per month, you could choose an appropriate subscription level. You can check a price comparison here. Click Continue. Make sure that the Add Selling Manager or Selling Manager Pro for free box is checked. It will be shown according to your shop subscription. Now click on Continue. 3. Agree to the terms of use for the eBay User Agreement and the PaisaPay User Agreement by checking on the respective boxes and click on Subscribe button. 4. After clicking on Subscribe option, you will get a congratulatory email with a link to go to Start Quick TuneUp. 5. To get default settings in your shop, click Apply Settings. Then, click on My eBay on the top right-hand side. You can always use Manage My Shop in My eBay to make changes or further customize your shop using additional features not included in Quick Shop Setup. You have now successfully subscribed to a shop. Basics of setting up a shop. Here is how you can set up your shop quickly. Quick setup of shops involves just 2 steps. 1. Setting shop categories. 2. Display settings. Setting shop categories. Similar to a physical store, your eBay shop categories have shelves that enable you to organize and display your listings to buyers. Your shop categories do not need to match eBay categories. You can create as many as 300 shop categories and subcategories with up to 3 levels of categories. For example, a category, Level 1, Clothing named Clothing and Accessories, can have 2 additional subcategories. Clothing and Accessories Category Level 1, Men's Collection Category Level 2, Cool Teas Category Level 3. Think like a buyer. Create a set of categories that will help buyers quickly find the types of items that you have to offer without overwhelming them. You can organize your listings according to the brands, type of items, price levels, and so forth. For example, if your shop primarily sells cameras and accessories, you can include categories such as cameras and optics, camera lenses, SLR lenses, etc. Consider creating special categories that attract buyers' attention, such as 50% off or featured items. Another category named Other Items will appear for listings that you did not assign to a shop category. You can add, rename, move, and delete shop categories at any time. A category will not appear in your shop if there are no listings in it. You can move listings from one category to another. Listings that you created before you opened your shop automatically appear in the Other Items category, but you can edit those listings to change your category selection. Display settings. Display setting will help you customize your shop front so that it looks attractive to buyers. To edit settings, click on Change on the right-hand side of the screen. The name you choose determines your shop's website address or URL. For example, if the name of your shop is Fine Jewelry, the URL of your shop is eBay will take out special characters like apostrophes, spaces, and other special characters and will make all the letters lowercase. Choose a name that immediately tells buyers what you sell. For example, a straightforward name such as Celine Gems will be more helpful to buyers than a creative name. This will also help web search engines to find your shop when buyers are looking for the kind of products you sell. You will see that your own URL has been created based on the shop name you had chosen. Provide a short description of your business in the space provided. This is a very important step as buyers will get to see your logo and the description when they visit your shop. Next, upload your logo. You can upload your own logo or choose from the pre-designed logo if you don't have a logo of your own. The next step is to choose the shop theme. Choose a theme of your liking from the several options provided and click on Save Settings. This will save the theme that you have chosen for your shop. Your shop is now created. For the advanced settings that will help you grow your business using your shop, please check out the video on eBay Shop's advanced setup. Important tips. eBay Shops is a platform to help you maximize your business on eBay. A professional-looking shop with the tools to build, manage and grow it put you on a level playing field with even the largest online retailers. Choose an appropriate subscription from the 3 options: Basic, Featured and Premium, depending on the number of listings you have. You can always upgrade your subscription as your business increases. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Watch other training videos on our YouTube channel.